guys, I'm Corey the Art Archaeologist, and welcome back to another Treasure Hunting Tuesday Eco Die Kit Reveal. So in this kit I threw in a bunch of these gears, and you can get a variety pack of these at Michael's, and then I've got some washers in here too. All you really need to do is just find yourself some rusty bits and put those in with your kit. So now this kit is the Rit Teal, and then I used, and I don't have the packaging for it, I used Rust, the color Rust by Grateful Dyes. And if you go to gratefuldyes.com, they have a bunch of beautiful colors, and their website is really, really nice. So those are the two colors I used for the kit. I will say this, the Rit dye, this dyes your paper and stains your paper much more intensely than the tie-dye dyes. The gratefuldyes.com, all those dyes on that website are for tie-dyeing. So I just have an abundance of them, so I wanted to try them with the papers, and they go on really dark and really rich and gorgeous, but throughout the process they fade. So you still get a beautiful lighter color of dye, but it's just not as intense as the Rit dye. So there's a little quick tip for you. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music, and as always the second half of this video will be all of these pages dried and ironed, so I can show you what they really look like all dried out. Okay, here we go. So here's this kit all dried and ironed up now, and the colors I used for this kit are the Rit Teal. That's where all the blues and turquoises and aquas are coming from, is the Rit Teal. This is definitely one of my favorite dye colors right here. And then I used the Grateful Dyes, and their website is gratefuldyes.com, and they're out of Littleton, Colorado, and all of their information is on their website. And I used the Color Rust number 25 on this kit. I made this pretty concentrated. Also, real quick, there's all kinds of warnings on these. These are generally made for tie-dyeing. So you really want to wear, I always wear a mask using these dyes. Now this comes in liquid form, so you're much, much safer with this, which is another advantage to using this. And, but yes, anytime you're using any kind of powdered pigment, you really want to be careful of your lungs, okay? So the advantages to Rit are the colors are more intense and you can buy it in already liquid form. Now the advantage to using the Grateful Dyes dye on paper is that you can get a lighter mix. When I put this on this kit, I put this on, it was so dark and lush and rusty, and it faded through the process of eco-dyeing the leaves and flowers and everything. So you can get more lighter shades of color with this. Okay, so you've got options. So I'm just going to go ahead and play some music and flip through this. And this is a 14 sheet set, and it is available now in my Etsy shop. The link is below, so let's go ahead and get started. So thanks for stopping by and checking out this kit too on this treasure hunting Tuesday. I think we hunted up some pretty nice treasures today. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to. I've got Treasure Hunting Tuesdays going on. I've got the Robin McLennan Design Team monthly design project happening, and I've also got art excavations with all different kinds of art digs and just all different kinds of fun tips and techniques. Okay, so thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.